Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So as you can see right now we've got 3 buttons navigation, so we've got the back button, the home button and the recents. And in order to change them to the gestures, we have to enter the settings. And now let's scroll down in order to find the navigation button and gestures. Let's enter. And as you can see right here we've got the list of all available navigation methods. So we've got the navigation bar, the 3 buttons option which we've got currently set. We've got the full screen gestures or other gestures. So let me pick first of all the other gestures, and as you can see by picking this option you will have 3 different lines at the very bottom of the screen which will be responsible for particular actions. So the actions will be the same just like in the 3 buttons navigation. So for example, here you will swipe to get back, here you will swipe to go back to the home page, and here to the recents. As you can see right here, you can learn how to use them. What's more, under it you've got some customization options, so you can hide the bottom indicator bar just by turning off this option and by tapping on the switcher. You can set full screen anti-false touch and bottom edge stroke with the switch application. It's up to you, of course, if you'd like to customize it and basically if you'd like to use it, but personally I prefer to use the full screen gestures. So let me pick this option, and as you can see actually immediately the buttons will disappear, and instead of it we will have the line which is responsible for particular actions. Of course here you've got the explanation, but I will show you how to use it. So first of all, in order to get back to the previous page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up from the side of your device to the center, and as you can see you will see this little arrow, and after releasing the finger you will go back. And it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left side just like I did or from the right side, it will work the same. So if you'd like to go back directly to the home page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly, just like that, and as you can see we are on the home page. And in order to enter the recents you have to swipe your finger up again, but this time you have to do it gently and hold it somewhere here to open the recents, and after releasing you can see all previously opened apps. So actually this is it. This is how to change the navigation bar, the navigation type in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.